Hey everybody, it's Desi with Soleil Serai, and today I just wanted to, I don't know, share some of my thrifted haul items for the spring slash summer. Let me think. What prompted me to do this? Spring cleaning. Doing some spring cleaning around here. I went through all of my stuff from the fall, winter wardrobe, and the thing is, starting with this, I've been working remotely for a while now, and I'm like not wearing most of my wardrobe, and I noticed how simplified my style or just like my everyday wear. But I did go through some of the stuff that's like no longer like serving joy, you know, like no longer given that, oh, I can't live without you feelings. Big bag of things to donate, and they have drop boxes around here in my area, and sometimes people in my complex leave it in the mail room. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this quick haul. I did a little try on, you know, walking through, showing it off. So it is a try on haul. And just see how things fit and, you know, what's complementing my shape and size. And that's one thing I really enjoyed about these finds, because being short with little hips, you know, there's some things I just don't feel comfortable in, like things hugging and snugging. It makes me a little uncomfortable. It's like, it doesn't feel good. Now when I go shopping, I'm no longer just grabbing things that are cute. I am taking other things in consideration, like the style of the pants and the length, and maybe I like a certain fitted skirt. If I don't feel great in it, there's no point of me wasting money. And to be quite fair, thrifting out here is not like thrifting back in Indiana. They tax. But most of the places are curated, so you gotta respect the art. But with that being said, let's get started into the video. All right, with this first look, I am trying on this beautiful turquoise blue, deep turquoise blue, simple dress. I can't remember the material. I'll put it up here, but it's like silky vibes, and it's the perfect length for me. It's not exposing my kneecaps and it's flowing away from some of my areas. I love the open part of the chest where it crosses over. Definitely may need to add a pin, but it's so lightweight, and I'm just so excited to wear it this spring and summer. I am a big fan of a lot of texture and prints. However, I believe with the whole idea of a capsule wardrobe, you want things simplified, and you know, so you can pair it with other things, layer it, and that was like the motivation and the goal for this shopping haul. All right, this next piece is one of my favorites, again, with the intentions of just simplified, you know, nothing too stressful. One thing about me, if it's a dress, romper, one-piece action, I'm going to like it. I don't have to worry about wearing all these different things. It's a one piece, you dig, you know. And with this beautiful earth tone green, I believe this was an Old Navy piece. Mind you, rompers don't always look good on me. I am one size up here and a different size below. So for this to actually feel comfortable from the top and bottom, I don't feel like my hips, the hip area is tugging. It has a nice little spandex waist where it gathers and cinches the waistline in. One thing that's my favorite thing about this is the actual pants style. I love the length. I think it would be really cute with of course some sandals, some wedges. I think you can even dress it down a little bit. Next fit. Again, the theme and the motivation of this haul, as you see, we have the muted earth tone greens, solid romper one piece. Like I've shared before, these type of things don't necessarily work out for me. It's kind of like when you go out to buy a two-piece bathing suit set and you have to have the same top, like a medium top, medium bottom. That never worked for me, and it was a big crime to like swap out for different sizes. So when things like that are one and attached, or a pair or whatever, it's so important that it fits comfortably. But this is a beautiful, soft, velvety like fabric. I love the accessory of the full thick belt that wraps around. As you can see, it gives a nice V-neck situation on the chest, and it has a hook and eye to open up or close up the girls. Again, flows away from the thighs. I love this type of style. So chic, so simple. I feel really like you can dress it down with some flat white plain sneakers, some nice sharp, very nude, pointy strappy heels. Like totally can go either way. The piece that I'm wearing here is a top, knit top, and nice bootcut denim jeans. I believe they're the limited. Super comfortable, stretchy, high waist. It makes me feel long and tall. But the knit fuzzies pink sweater complements. I just love it. It's so soft. It's fuzzy. It has texture, but it's still a solid thing. It'll look good with obviously high waist jeans or a cute little skirt. I love how soft and comfortable. Most of these fuzzy texture sweaters are itchy and I just cannot deal with it. Nice high crew neck neckline. Now I just swapped out the top with this. Oh my gosh. Love this shirt. I actually wore this outfit for the photo shoot I had last Friday, and super fun. Love. It's a cotton top. Like I said, I wanted interchangeable pieces that I can wear with anything and everything. It's super cozy. It just fit right, snug and tug. You can totally feel more of the structure with the cotton material. All right, so this is like my dressier looks that I have thrifted. Actually 100% silk. Found it here at an L Train Vintage. Don't know which one, but this is what I'm like. This is me. The flashy, funky looks. I love that. These are like those statement pieces that I would keep in the capsule or in my wardrobe for, you know, those fun, you know, I want to stand out kind of days, whatever. And with the skirt that I'm wearing, so nice and complimentary. I actually bought that from Poshmark online, and I believe it was like 60 bucks, originally priced for $100. It is New York Companies from Gabrielle Union's line, and look at those fun sequences. I got the top from a Goodwill here, and this is the more trendy, you know, Y2K looks that's going around now. But look again, this mustard yellow, it's just serving. It's doing something for me. It's doing something for me. So love the material. I think this was a Zara top. May have paid $8 for it. Super cute. And I just paired it with the skirt so you can see how interchangeable these pieces I can use. I'm not wearing, I don't need 20 pairs of jeans to style a look. And to be 3,000 while we're talking about jeans, I've only worn like 2 to 3 pairs of jeans solid through and through since I've been here. Light, dark, black. Just like that. Because one thing about here, this is the only closet we have. This is the only closet. I don't thrive well when I'm like being suffocated by clothes. And I've done that before, and this has definitely helped me reduce a lot of stuff, even to the shoes. I'm just so excited of like what has transpired from being a lot more simplified, but not being boring. You know, you can still express your personality with these pieces, and that's why I'm so excited to share, you know, some of these looks. Sneeze. Yeah, I'm looking forward to sharing some of my finds in the future. I'm not trying to, again, overdo it with the shopping, but I am looking forward to building a nice wardrobe capsule and to also share like maybe some tips how to find what looks right on you. I'm not no professional, but I know when it feel ugly. I know when I'm not feeling something. So, you know, we can share tips here and there. In the comments, please drop down what was some of your favorite pieces from the thrift. Look forward to behind the scenes of my photo shoot with Sante. Daniel and I and Sante met at Central Park and did a really cool, awesome photo shoot. So I'll show you the minimal behind the scenes of me doing that and some of the photos that he was taking. It worked really well. It was a great collaboration. So I'm super excited to share that. Buying clothes makes me happy. So peace, 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 peace.